Habakran halor ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA. U MLA ka BJP na Meghalaya u ba AL hek uliatho bulat ban khot igajing ekran hapdeng baro ki kinhun niam kiseng boper ban weng igajing shapting jongki halor ke FCRA. Uba AL hek uliatho bulat ban pha igajing tho shaka sarkar pedeng bandawa ban map ne ai exemption kerpang hapo kene ka act. Namar bon kini ki kinhun niam bat seng boper ki ai kijing shakri barat ba ban kentio ya ki baduk ha kejela. Wadla uba el hek shim lakentat badan ki huan ki bam trekam hok bat ki bashim kabu ne ke FCRA ke bapenlong ya ke sarkar ban penstom ne kmi bnya ndai ulakentu ba ki kam shakri patba jigi seng ha ke jela ki batri hok kim dei ban chakta ulada beneslok ru bat ka North East India Christian Council bat ka Conference of Catholic Bishops of India halor kane Uleo egajing bet na katnat law but justice halor kimat bula IT sya menteri rang bado kari bar ula kular bagi sarkar pedang garang penbit penbiang bat bishar benia ekadeng kam bar ula pen scam ro bo un ya le na kabenta ka hok jong pat ba bat ban penne action shar pat ba ka ba kan chiliang khamat yano ru hakari.
But I'm telling you, I'm not pinpoint to any group of denominations or religious group. There's some also religious group which has not been doing properly, and but they have been enjoying the facility given for under the FCRA. So that also we have to look after. But many religious groups, strong religious group, like I will not mention the name, but they are doing very the services to serve the poor and the needy, and so many things which to help the poor and the needy, rehabilitation center. So this is all the social service activities been taken up by this group. So we are also appreciate because we have seen also they are doing very genuine job, but few of them also are there which is in the name of FCRA, but they are not been doing the genuine job. Now what I'm doing only for the entire country, for the Christians organizations. But what they are doing, the other, for FCRA, the other people are what they are doing for other state. I'll not be able to tell you anything because I don't know anything about that. That Sam met with the NEICC and also with the Baptist Church and also Catholic Church. They have met the Amit Shah 2 days before, if I'm not mistaken. Right. Prior to that, I had a meeting with CCBI, the Catholic Conference Bishop of India in Delhi. I had with the Secretary of CCBI, and also in my office at Golfing, I met the NEICC and also the Northeast Christian Forum. We have met them also in my office at Golfing. So we discussed about the FCRA. So I was also planning to, because I could not get time now to go to Delhi to take an appointment with the Amit Shahji to discuss about the FCRA.
So you will be taking it up with...
Yeah, we're taking it up. But that one letter I've written to the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, have sent through the Law and Justice Office acknowledgement for action and considerations of my proposal. Let's just studying, no? We cannot just raise like that. They have to go through all the pros and cons, no, before they take the decision.
So if they don't do it, what will be your action?
We are here. We will fight. We will fight, no?